7. Rules of the road. Picture reading. Look at the following pictures and identify them. Tell the same to your teacher. Traffic constable. Footpath. Zebra crossing. Traffic post. No parking. Parking.
Grammatical awareness.
Conjunctions.
Conjunctions are joining or connecting words. They are used to connect or join words or sentences. They are and, because, but, or, though, while.
Examples. Lata and Lalita are sisters. Anita passed because she studied well. Suresh is tall but Sita is short. Who has done this, John or Khan? Though they ran fast, they missed the bus. Shyam was playing while Sirisha was studying. Rules of the road. Reading. In big cities and towns, every day many road accidents take place. Some of these accidents are fatal. Generally, the cyclists and the motorcyclists are injured seriously in these accidents.
Pedestrians are also killed in these accidents.
The main cause of accidents is that the people are not following traffic rules or rules of the road. Our streets and roads are busy. They are crowded with cycles, cars, scooters, buses, and trucks. Many of these vehicles run very fast. Sometimes, to overtake the other vehicles, the drivers of these vehicles resort to rash driving. These drivers do not observe the traffic rules while driving, which cause the road accidents. It is not safe to walk in the middle of a busy road. We should walk on the footpath. If there is no footpath, we should keep to the left side of the road. Then we are in the same way of vehicular traffic. We should cross the road when it is clear only on zebra crossing. We must look to the right when crossing the first half of the road. We must look to the left when crossing the second half of the road. We must keep to the left side of the road while driving.
Traffic is controlled by the traffic constable.
He stands in the middle or at the busy road crossings. We should always obey the traffic policeman. He works to keep us safe on the road. In large cities, there are traffic lights at the crossings. These lights at the crossings are called light signals.
Red light means stop. Amber light means be ready to move or stop.
Green light means go. We should follow the traffic signals. We should park the vehicles only at the parking place. but not at other places on the road. We must obey the rules of the road for our safety.